Good evening. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A pleasantly warm start to the week for the southern half of Queensland, with very little rain reported in the past 24 hours. I think 18 millimetres at Maryborough was probably the highest. Wednesday, Thursday could see the return of a few coastal showers spreading inland by the weekend. A sample of today's temperatures across central Queensland. Rockhampton rose to a high of 28 degrees after a low this morning of 17. The top in Gladstone was 26. Emerald and Billawheeler got to 30. Looking at the satellite loop now, it's generally quiet across Queensland. What showers there are have basically been concentrated mostly north of about Townsville or Ingham on the wet tropical coast, but a few little ones did get through the Whitsundays again, just light showers, and a couple of little sporadic, or you might say rogue ones, even across the interior of the Wide Bay, Burnet and southeast coast, but generally amounted to very little rain. Let's have a look at the chart today. We've got the inland trough, and that's only recently developed, and we've got a weakening high out in the Tasman Sea, which is still bringing a weak ridge of high pressure along the coast just due to southeast winds pushing against the Great Dividing Range. Now on tomorrow's chart, the inland trough tries to make a crossing, a bit of it breaks off, but instead what happens, this next high pushes a new southeasterly change up the coast. It's only a weak one. On the outlook chart, as that southeasterly creeps up the coast, heavy showers continue in the far north, but in the southeast now we start to get more moisture and a couple of showers as well midweek. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters. We've got an east to southeast wind tomorrow, a steady 15 to 20 knots. Tiny bit lighter on Wednesday, same direction. Then on Thursday, it's just 10 to 15 knots of straight easterly. First up tomorrow, we've got a high tide, and it's a big one. The new moon's back this Thursday, and that's only 2 days from tomorrow, so the swing's quickly widening. The Capricornia District forecast, a fine and mostly sunny day, 26 the top for Gladstone. Rockhampton 17 up to 27 degrees the range, 30 for Billawheeler, and Yeppoon 24. Central Highlands and Coalfields fine and mostly sunny, with Emerald hitting 30 degrees as a top, and Claremont and Moranbah the same, 30. Looking ahead now for Rockhampton, moisture and cloud should start to increase again from Wednesday, and by Friday I'd expect we'll see at least one shower and maybe one more on the weekend. That's about all I have for you on the weather front this Monday evening. Thanks for joining in the discussion. Hope you can tune in again tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have something interesting to add. But for now, it's goodbye. See you soon, and it's back to the team.
Livio, wonderful, mate. Thank you very much. Nice having your company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on 7plus. From all of us, good night.
Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, mob violence on Brisbane.